So it's Tuesday, forgot the date. Tuesday the 27th, it's day 3, and today we're heading to the gorges around the eco retreat, like the Weano Gorge, Hancock and Handrail. So yeah, that should be fun. It's currently like 6 o'clock, everyone's just getting ready, and then we're going to have some breakfast and head off. So we just turned off onto the road to Joffrey's Gorge. So we're going to do Joffrey's Gorge and then head back past the eco retreat to do the Weano Gorges.
And then we stay at eco tonight, so it's just backtracking over what, 30 k's of gravel.
Joffrey's Gorge looks a bit dry, so we might not actually do it. Oh, bummer. So we just came to Joffrey's Gorge. Unfortunately it has all dried out, so there's not really any point walking it. The boys are just pumping the tyres up because we let the pressures down to get here from Dale's campground. So we're just going to head back on the main road to past the eco retreat to the Weano recreation area. So we'll do Hancock Gorge and Handrail pool while we're there. And we might stop and have some lunch, and then I'm not sure what we'll do after that, but we'll catch up with you along the way. We're just walking down to, this is probably Hancock Gorge, I think? Gorge? Not Gorge.
It is hot.
It is hot, and it is Tuesday, day 3 still. Woohoo! Just having some lunch.
What's the biggest girlfriend move? And lettuce? Oh, and lettuce.
We're heading down to Weano Gorge and Handrail Pool now.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Descending down to Weano. There's Tegan, about halfway down. It's old mate going up. Pretty good track this one, at least compared to the one opposite here. What's that? Joffrey's? No, not Joffrey's. Hancock, sorry. Hancock was a bit of a joke, a bit slippery. Tegan, I hope you got a good... Guys, I can see a handrail. Get excited. Yeah. Hey, look, it's the other crew.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Are you videoing?
Whoa, this is massive. That's going to be so warm.
Oh, I was thinking I'm going to stop at that shit.
This is pretty cool. Yeah, it's like a big cave. Yeah, but this is still sick. What's country floor is it? Because if we did go to Tom Price now, it's not back. I mean, we'll miss out on swimming this afternoon as well.
Just at Handrail Pool. What's your rating?
It'd be better than winter. But for now, I think fan and circular is better. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. We're just leaving Handrail Pool now. So we're just heading to
Dales.
Yeah, back to Dales, because we've all decided that we most enjoyed Fernpool and Fortescue Falls, like that Dale Gorge area.
Partly because they're the most water.
Yeah, and so we've just done Hancock and Handrail Pool. Yeah, they were both class 5 walks, so they were pretty difficult, and it's pretty hot. And pretty dried up, so but that's still really nice and awesome to see. But yeah, so we're just, the plan was to stay at Eco Retreat tonight, but we're just going to stay at Dale's because we wanted to check out Fernpool a bit more and hang around there this afternoon. So we're just on our way there now. We've just let the tyres down because this road's pretty corrugated. And yes, so you'll next see us back at Dale's campground. And it's still Tuesday and it's still hot.
Did you say you had a puncture kit or not? Yeah. Yeah, you did.
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
No, because then he's like hanging on a bush. No. You've got it.
So we just went to Fernpool and Fortescue Falls and had a quick swim because it's very hot. We just set up camp and cooking up some Polish sausage and cheese.
Yeah, I think.
So good. I think so.
Everyone put your bum in.
Everyone get a thumb.
Cheesiest group photos ever.